Hi, my name is Justyna Jowik, and my role is to help customers grow their business with Google Cloud technology. Today we're meeting with Jack Dąbrowski from Synerise, a behavioral data platform working with Google Cloud. Hi, Jack. It's great to have you here.
Hi, Justyna. Great to be here.
So, could you please start by telling us what Synerise is?
Sure. So, Synerise is a behavioral data platform fueled by our proprietary analytics and execution engine and powered by our behavioral AI. We have thousands of use cases and applications for our customers, combining functionalities like CDP, loyalty, personalization, predictions, automation, and execution.
And what is your role there?
I'm the Chief AI Officer at Synerise. So around 5 years ago, I founded the AI team. And nowadays, we have around 30 AI researchers working on behavioral modeling. So our core focus is predicting behaviors based on data. We're conducting research in graph machine learning, representation learning, and behavioral science. And we're building models which are the heart of Synerise. Apart from that, we're building standalone products like Monad.
So it sounds like a very complex data ecosystem. I wonder what made you choose Google Cloud then?
Well, we've recently conducted a full migration of Synerise platform to Google Cloud. So now all functionalities of Synerise are available to GCP customers natively. We've also integrated Synerise with Google BigQuery. So the integration is both ways. We can both push real-time data from Synerise to Google BigQuery, as well as enrich Synerise customer profiles with BigQuery data. We have also an integration with Google Ads, also both ways. So we can utilize Google Ads conversion information to help understand customers better. But we can also push information from Synerise into Google Ads to improve targeting and personalization. So we achieved significantly accelerated time to market for our GCP customers, while respecting data privacy, consents, and everything around that.
So it sounds like GCP managed to improve your customers' experience and yours. That's great to hear. And I also wanted to ask you to talk a little more about Monad. I know that this is the heart of Synerise and this is a technology that you're very proud of.
Right. So Monad is a private foundation model for behavioral data, which means that compared to other foundation models like Google BERT, ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, which are dedicated towards different modalities like text or images, Monad is specifically directed at behavioral enterprise data. And it's a private foundation model, which means that it's trained only on your own enterprise information, describing your customers' behaviors. So Monad is trained in a self-supervised way, which means that it doesn't require any upfront targets or objectives, and it learns to predict a full spectrum of customer behavior. So basically, from any kind of interaction data, graphs, texts, images, and other types of modalities, Monad can learn to predict future behaviors based on the past behavior of a customer. This allows us to then fine-tune such a model easily to produce dozens or more models, which are then supervised to answer questions like, what is the customer going to buy tomorrow? When will they return to the store? What's the probability of churn? Which brands or fashion types they like? And also, which kind of marketing actions might be the best choice for them?
Yeah, these are definitely very important questions for the marketeers. I also wanted to ask you, how exactly is Monad using Google Cloud's capabilities?
Right. So first of all, Monad is generally available to all GCP customers natively on their subscription as a Docker image. Secondly, it's also integrated with Google BigQuery, which means that it can take event data, raw event data, right from BigQuery for both model training and predictions without any duplication or data copying. Monad can also put the predictions back into BigQuery. What's more, Monad is based on PyTorch, which is natively supported by Google Vertex. And the current interface to Monad are Jupyter notebooks, which are very popular among the data science community and extremely well supported by Google Vertex AI Workbench. So you could say that the whole pipeline of Monad model creation, management, and scalability can be handled natively by Google Vertex.
So if you were to sum up the most important results or effects the customers could expect from Synerise and Monad, what would that be?
Right. So if you think about the current landscape of data warehouses and AI aspirations in large enterprises, there's usually the need for thousands of models and many more use cases. The data sources are numerous. There are potentially dozens or more different data sources. They're all evolving and changing rapidly. Such a challenging task would normally require a very, very large team of data engineers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, etc. There's obviously not enough workforce on the market to satisfy all those needs. So Monad is aiming to automate the process that's most boring and most low level, the process of feature engineering, the process of understanding the data automatically using AI to supercharge small teams dealing with extremely large data sets. It allows them to cut the time of model development from potentially months to just 2 or 3 days. In addition to that, it also allows for much faster model training, better KPIs, and potentially reduce the need for labeled data. Nobody likes to see a 9-month project to fail, right? Yeah. With Monad, you can make sure that it's right in just 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, so it's all about scaling up and acceleration. Jack, I must say that this is very exciting to hear how Synerise and Monad are making machine learning and AI more accessible to the customers. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate Synerise for winning the 2022 Partner of the Year Award for ISV migration to GCP. Very well done. And thank you very much for our conversation. That was very, very interesting.
Thank you, Justina. It was a pleasure.
And to you, thank you for being with us.